So here we are at 32 Myrtle Avenue doing a check on the smoke detectors. Okay, 32 Myrtle. 3 smoke detectors, one upstairs, one on the ground floor, and one in the basement.
I don't think. Or do you?
Yes, we need a close-up of the smoke detector.
Okay.
And let me get a close-up here. Okay, go ahead. You have to press it.
Oh, okay.
There you go. We'll just let it cycle through here. Okay, that's the second floor. Let's go down to the first floor. Okay, go ahead. Alright, I guess that'll be good enough. And then down to the basement.
Oh, he doesn't like this. He's whining.
Well,
Oops.
it's like our 4th smoke detector. Okay, let me get close up of this. Okay, go ahead.
Well, it's going to be a little tougher. Oh, I can just touch it.
There we go. So 3 smoke detectors, 1 second, and we're out.